always excited to be racing my bike, and we have an incredible desert here. You know, it's so vast and open, so always like to ride the bike here, and yeah, looking forward to it.
We're excited to get out there. Not too sure where we're going to situate ourselves and where we're going to be up to speed with everyone, but we'll just get out there and give it 100%, and hopefully it all goes well from there.
Quite a nice experience, and I like a lot. Was a little bit rough because it was really fast stages, but yeah, in the end I'm happy with what I'm doing. I improve day by day, so all is okay, but still a lot of work for Dakar.
I enjoy some parts. I enjoy a lot because the landscape and the desert is really cool. But in other parts, I really struggle with my speed and my rhythm because everything is new for me in this race. It's my first time, and it's really fast and scary sometimes.
Yeah, been a good race. It's been very tough, very technical, very high speed, but we've been able to get a stage win, and yeah, we led the last stage out today, and went fairly decent, I think. So it's yeah, plenty more left in store, and we're looking forward to heading to Morocco in the next month or so.
I gave my best all the week, and finally second, so I'm really happy with that. You know, the championship's gone really well for me. To be first in the World Championship and have a consistency has been really nice, and the team did a really good job, and the bike's been flawless all week, so cannot be happier, and now a bit of celebration.